Ki Khynnah pule bat ki Nonghikai jong ka Skul ba Mahatma Gandhi University bernihan menta ka sengi ki lapelong ya ka Jingleh persya ya ki Pyniaid jong ka Skul ba hadin ba ki Pyniaid ki welcome jubor ya ki Nonghikai ki bapan chuti bihu ha ka jo opor kini ki Khynnah pule ki Nonghikai bat ki dekhot ka KSU MGU unit ki la dawaru ban penbet penbiang no ya shibon ki jingduna ki ba kum ki Khynnah pule ki dawa habakran ba ki lap thai khubor ki Nonghikai ka Skul ba ki la berngam ru bandan da ka mass resignation la lakim la ban penbel namatang na kadaw kabaret banpan ya kasyuti bihu kabatang sisngi bat kabadai hok jong kinong hikai kinong Pyniaid kin suweng kam kalong ke kabam dan nongrem haba kinong hikai bat Khynnah Skul kitmu ban kendo yo chancellor bat vice chancellor jong te Skul ba henry kini kim don setia lasite yo tam menta
student jong ka MGU Mahatma Gandhi te lang ba ni kinong hikai jong ni don lang manta kai bangi ban ra shapi ba nakapor spor ngi kendo ikijing ya te menta menin mat benin sisngiru ngi kendo biang kawai kijing ya ba tang na kendau ibarit ba inoikai jong ipan ila shabe dan nohi te kumta ngi kum student ngi snu daka idap ka jing studio ba kumno u chancellor jong i u nut ban be I klam da don daw tang na kadau bi pan chuti te sakaweru ka eba inoikai jong ipan chuti direct cha u chancellor te kadau nomor ba UC jong ru ula resign te principal jong ru usim chuti udan ni ka personal problem te HR jong bapliru impat nut baraban kran yo don kata ka problem kumnor ma ngi mla ban batai bahai phi kata te ngakerpat I noikai jong bi share problem ba khnang ba phir ba phin shai bahai kata ka problem.
Yeah, actually what happened, since Bihu is going on, no, we are entitled to leaves. But then this university, as usual, they do not give any kind of leaves. Okay, from it has been a tradition kind of thing that we are not entitled to any kind of leave. But what happened that since in other universities, as you all are very much aware that in every university, the university faculty, everyone there gets the leave for at least in Bihu, we are entitled to 3 or 4 days of leave, right? But then here what happened, they have not given us a single day leave. Okay, so then what we did, like we asked for a 1 day leave, that's on 16th, that which is Monday. Okay, we then approached the HR. She said that the holiday list has been not approved, and the chancellor is not going to give any leave on Bihu. Okay, but then we told the HR that this is not fair, right? Because Bihu is very auspicious to us, and here everyone working in the university is Assamese. Okay, so they must get at least 1 day leave. We are just asking for 1 day leave, but as usual, it was denied. Then what the HR told me that told every one of us, because every one of us was present in that scenario. We together went to the HR. The HR said that you all only talk to the chancellor because I can't talk. I will not be able to talk. You all only talk. So we called him. At first we were very hesitant to talk with him because usually the official calls go through the HR, right? But when the HR only denied it, we were compelled to talk because we need that leave, 1 day leave. Okay. Then we called him. He picked up. We called him to the university official number only. The phone was on speaker. I was since not everyone can talk over the phone, right? One has to be the voice. So I was talking. The phone was on speaker. Each and every, even people from admin were present. Everyone from the faculty was present there. I told that, sir, since Monday it's holiday, we want 1 day leave on Monday. Then the chancellor asked, what's your name, from which department? He was very rude. Okay, at first he was very, that's not the proper way to talk with the faculty at first. He said that don't call me. He was saying in Hindi, but I'm saying it in English. He said that don't call me regarding all this, and you are not entitled to talk with me. Okay, then he disconnected the call, and that's not a proper way to talk to a faculty. This thing happened. This all thing happened yesterday at this time. Then after a few hours, like after 2 hours, a mail came to me. A mail came that you are being released from the position of assistant professor of Mahatma Gandhi University in the Department of Social Work. So everyone was very shocked that how can that mail come to me just because we all were asking for the leave, just 1 day leave, and that leave was not even my personal need. It was the need of everyone. If that leave would have been approved, each and every faculty member would have got that leave, right? No. So how can that just that letter come to me, the release letter can come to me. It's not right. So we all went to the HR. She said that, okay, Upasna, my name is Upasna. So she has been released from the position. So we were very anxious. What happened? How can this happen to one of the faculty? If this thing, just because we raised our voice for a legal thing, one cannot be released from the position. So we together, all the faculty members, were very shocked. Then today we are assembling here. This was the incident of yesterday. Today we are assembling here. We thought that we'll talk with the HR once again. Everyone told that she cannot be released just because if everyone is to be released just because of asking leave, since each and every member from this university will have to be released, because the leave was the need of each and every member. Okay, so how can I be released just because of for asking the leave for one day? So that's the issue. They do this very often. Very often what they do when they don't like a person, when they find that that person is raising voice against them, if they are doing something illegal, if that person is raising voice, they just tell him, give the letter, this termination letter to the person, and that person is gone from the university. This is the tradition of university. It has been going from months and years. So this is the main issue that we are facing, and each and every faculty member is under threat now. Just that person who is ruling from Delhi, Dr. Rajan Chopra, he's there sitting in his position and just instructing each and everyone in this university. He's working here in Northeast. How can he not give us the BU leave? Is it right? We, each and everyone in this university, all the faculty members are SMEs. We are just asking for one day leave, Bihu. How can he not give us one day leave? It's not right. So you all decide, like, what should we do? What should this university, is this done right to all the faculty members? No. So we are assembling here to raise the voice against this injustice that is done against us.
Ngaku aban yithu ipi namar hani kambiang de ki rukom infrastructure i rupat biang de te ni shembun ki jinjar hani bat ki Khynnah ru ki long ki bun ki jinjar namar ki faculty ki shidlet be kum to te ni shem ya kata ka jinjar manamar tang iwe Nonghikai ni hapshim de ki bar ki BSc nangta ki BSc IT nangta ki BCA ne ki MCA ru long gi hap rak bitang marway bikin to habak le marway kawai ke department tengi jinjar ha tengi depan Nonghikai ru ngim yo jing yarap na ke management side tengi kwa ba phi pat ba baro phi perkhat lang moi ngi ru wan ya long runti lang bat ni te ni kwa ya kata ken te ngaker pa de phi baro ba phin lum lang bat ni ban ye kini ki authorities ru badan ni hasil long ban pet ye kini kam jingi ni ban yarap ni mo.